There comes a moment in every person's life when everything stops. A moment where you look at yourself, really look, and you realize, this can't be my story. Not like this. Not anymore. This is the moment, the exact second, where you either rise or you continue sinking. Everyone has a breaking point. Maybe it's the day you wake up and feel completely empty. Maybe it's the moment you're tired of your own excuses. Maybe it's when you realize you've wasted too much time waiting for the right moment. But here's the truth. There is no right moment. You create it. You choose when your life changes. And 99% of people never choose. They drift. They quit early. They settle. But not you. Not anymore. The moment you say, I've had enough, when you finally decide to fight for your life, that's the moment destiny shifts. People talk about motivation like it's magic. It's not. It's a decision. A decision that says, I'm done being who I used to be, and I'm ready to become the person I was supposed to be. And that decision? It hurts. It's uncomfortable. It demands sacrifice. But it is the most powerful decision you will ever make. Your biggest enemy isn't outside. It's the voice inside your head whispering, you're tired. You can't do this. You're not good enough. But here's where people fail. They think that voice is the truth. It's not. It's a test, a challenge, a battlefield. And the moment you ignore it and take even one step forward, that's the moment you win. Every time you push when it hurts, every time you get up when you don't feel like it, every time you choose discipline over comfort, you destroy the old version of yourself. Transformation doesn't start when you see results. Transformation starts the second you refuse to give up. Your body changes later. Your confidence grows later. Your success appears later. But the transformation, it starts with that first decision. I rise now. You don't need permission. You don't need validation. You don't need perfect conditions. All you need is the courage to begin. Listen, not everyone gets this moment. Most people sleepwalk through life. Most people never wake up. But you did. You're listening because something inside you is tired of being silent. Something inside you is done being weak. Something inside you is begging to rise. Don't ignore that voice. That's your future self calling you. That's the version of you who wins, who conquers, who makes it, who changes the entire story. One day, you'll look back at this moment and say, that was it. That was the day everything changed. Not because life magically got easier, but because you got stronger. Because you decided to rise. Because you refused to quit. This world doesn't reward potential. It rewards results. It rewards action. It rewards the ones who rise when everyone else stays down. So hear me clearly. This is your moment. Not tomorrow, not next month, not when life is less stressful. Now. Right now. Rise before you're ready. Rise before you feel confident. Rise even if you're scared. Because the moment you rise, your entire life rises with you.